Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy. Module 1. Information Security Fundamentals. Module Objectives. Understand the need for security. Describe the elements of information security. Describe the security, functionality, and usability triangle. Explain the motives, goals, and objectives of information security attacks. Explain the classification of attacks. Describe the information security attack vectors. Know about the information security laws and regulations. Discuss information security fundamentals. Information is a critical asset that organizations must secure. If an organization's sensitive information falls into the wrong hands, the organization may suffer considerable losses in terms of finances, brand reputation, or customers, or in other ways. To provide an understanding of how to secure such critical information resources, this module starts with an overview of information security. What is information security? Information security is the state of the well-being of information and infrastructure in which the possibility of theft, tampering, or disruption of information and services is kept low or tolerable. Information security refers to the protection or safeguarding of information and information systems that use, store, and transmit information from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, and destruction. Need for security. Today, organizations are increasingly relying on computing networks because users and employees expect to exchange information at the speed of thought. Additionally, with the evolution of technology, there has been a greater focus on ease of use. Routine tasks rely on the use of computers for accessing, providing, or just storing information. Elements of information security. Information security relies on 5 major elements: confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity, and non-repudiation.